Oh, hi. My name is Sean. I work on the Ron+Don show. There's a study going around right now. 41 million Americans don't get enough sleep, and it definitely impedes their ability to work. As an idea guy, I figured that it would be funny to have two people in the workplace yawn-talking the entire time. Sometimes we have ideas on the Ron+Don show that work, and sometimes we have ideas on the Ron+Don show that do not work at all. This is one of those times.
Hey, Sean.
Hi, Rachel.
You'll never guess what happened. It's crazy.
What happened?
God, you'll never guess what happened.
Tell me about it.
I just won the lottery. I heard you need to talk to me.
I do need to talk to you about something.
What?
Okay, I think I'm kind of done.